Use polynomial long division to simplify this rational expression. A rational expression is the ratio of two polynomials, where the polynomial in the denominator cannot be zero. To use polynomial long division to simplify this rational expression, divide the numerator by the denominator. We'll use this template to do the long division. The numerator, or dividend, goes here, so we write x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6. The divisor goes here, so we write x minus 1. The dividend is of degree 3, and the divisor is of degree 1. To match this leading term, we multiply this expression by x squared. So we get x squared times x is x cubed. X squared minus 1 is minus x squared. We subtract this product from the dividend, and we get the x cubed terms cancel out. 4x squared minus a negative x squared is 5x squared. And then we bring down this term, plus x. To match this leading term, we multiply this expression by 5x. So we get 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x minus 1 is minus 5x. We subtract one from the other. These terms cancel out. X minus a negative 5x is 6x, and we bring down this term, 6x minus 6. To match this term, we multiply this expression by 6. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times minus 1 is minus 6. We subtract one from the other. Since these terms are identical, we get 0. Since there is no remainder, the simplified form of this expression, x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6 divided by x minus 1 is equal to this expression, x squared plus 5x plus 6.